AutoSum. Hello there. Today we are going to learn about the AutoSum feature of Excel. This feature helps us calculate the sum of data arranged in contiguous rows or columns quickly. Let's first launch the Excel application and open the document that we are going to work on. We can use the AutoSum feature to calculate the total number of books sold category-wise and month-wise. The AutoSum option is available at two places in Excel: in the Editing group on the Home tab and in the Function Library group on the Formulas tab. Let's first calculate the total number of books sold category-wise. Select cell E3 and click on the AutoSum option in the Editing group. The range of data is automatically highlighted along with the cell references. Look how Excel creates a sum formula to add up the numbers. Press Enter key and you get the total number of comics sold in the month of January, February, and March. We can use the fill handle to calculate the total number of books sold for other categories as well. We can also calculate the total number of books sold month-wise. This time, let's use the AutoSum option in the Function Library group. Select cell B7. Click on the Formulas tab. Go to Function Library group and select the AutoSum option. Press Enter. Look, the total number of books sold in the month of January is displayed in cell B7. Now to calculate the number of books sold in February and March, simply drag the fill handle across. There, the total appears instantly. We have learned that calculations can be done easily using the AutoSum feature. Wasn't that quick and simple? Let's have a quick recap of what we have just learned. Do practice this in your lab sessions. Thank you.